Just give it honest. You wouldn't want a young man if it wasn't for the story.
What's up, little eyes,
Here, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hailey. If you are already subscribed, you already know the vibes. I'm gonna introduce myself. I live in Curaçao. My native language is Papiamento, so I'm gonna try to vlog in English. So don't clock me about that, okay? Period. So today I'm going to do a vlog of weekend in my life. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Okay, so we are here. We are doing our groceries. I bought this red velvet cake. I think I'm going to buy some fruit, veggies, beef, so I can cook. So I'm grabbing some mandarins. I'm gonna grab like 4 of them. This one with a nacho cheese. I also want to buy like the tostitos, the salsa, but yeah, it's like a bit pricey, so I think I'm gonna grab, or maybe I'm gonna grab both. Hey girly, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. I need to go babysit today, so I am on my way. I need to be there by 6:30 o'clock, and right now it's 6 o'clock, so I'm kind of on time. It's like 30 minutes to be there. So I just got to my destination and my hands are full. This is the kit of babysitter, and this is my lunch bag and my bag, my Stanley. So let's go. It's really raining. I'm gonna put it away so I can go in the water. So we got to a bakery. It's called Bakery Dulceria. Very cutesy. We're gonna buy some sweet things so we can eat.
What's up, little eyes, Gucci?